yung second question mo kung meron ba tayong special block screening. Yes, andito ako ngayon sa special block screening ng And the Breadwinner Is, sponsored by none other than Bini! Kasama ko ngayon sina Joanna, Maloy, Aya, and Mika. Happy New Year, girl!
Happy New Year! Woo, 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 woo!
Taas ng energy, ha? Maloy.
New Year eh!
New Year. Okay, first question is, gusto ko malaman, kaninong idea na magkaroon ng block screening tonight?
Matagal na po kasi talaga namin plano manood talagang Bini. Kaso, need na namin umuwi sa mga provinces namin. Pero kami po, pero with the help of our management, kaya din na nagawa tong block screening po. So, thank you po sa tulong ng management namin, kina Tita Cory. Thank you po. And finally natuloy, yung 4 lang na girls umuwi na ng province, nakapag-book na ng flight.
Bakasyon na sila ngayon eh. Okay, ano ba yung naririnig nyo about the movie before going to the screening?
Actually, napanood ko na po yung And the Breadwinner Is nung December 25 rin, nung pagka-release. Kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga supportahan si Meme Vice. And kaya ako i-rewatch kasi it's worth it. It's worth it to rewatch. And I think makaka-relate talaga kaming Bini since most of us is mga breadwinner. And iiyak kayo. Lalo ka na.
Lalo na ako.
Naku, Aya, ready ka na bang umiyak?
Uy, bihira pa naman ako umiyak sa sine. Pero, we'll see later. Oo.
Pero una sa lahat, congratulations sa New Year's Eve parties ninyo kagabi. Balita ko, lumagari kayo, Mika, Aya.
Lumagari. What's lumagari daw? Gumala. Yes, lumagari talaga kami. Kasi parang anong oras na tayo natapos? Like, maybe like 12:30 tayo natapos last night. And before that, we also had another performance at a different event para same day. And before that, nag-training kami buong araw. Pero at least after neto, we're on break again.
How much fun was that? Nakita ko yung mga videos nyo sa New Year's Eve parties.
Yeah, it was so fun kasi ang dami tao. Ang dami tao. First time namin mag-perform for a New Year's event and it was
Dalawa agad.
dalawa.
Alright. Ako, alam mo, ang big question ngayon, Zen, kung darating ba si Meme Vice tonight? Di ba, yan ang aabangan natin. At, syempre, hindi ako aalis hanggat hindi ko makukuha ang reactions ninyo after watching the film. So, aabangan namin yan. Kasama nila, Zen, dito, yung kanilang mga kaibigan at pamilya na in-invite nilang manood ng And the Breadwinner Is. Alright, see you inside, girls. Maraming salamat. At yan ang latest mula dito sa Cubao. Balik sa'yo, Zen. We're good. Thank you very much.